Let me see your hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Put him up! Check every vehicle. Check every vehicle. Cuff him up right away. Check every vehicle underneath the car.
Hey, I'm Sheriff Anthony Miranda from the New York City Sheriff's Office. Today, we executed search warrants in a joint operation with the District Attorney's Office, with the Bronx Narcotics Sheriff's Office, and NYPD here at Simpson Place in the Bronx. It's due to community complaints that we identified this location as an ongoing organization that is distributing illegal marijuana and other illicit narcotics throughout the communities and other areas. We're glad to receive your complaints, and again, we encourage you to continue calling into our offices and sharing the information with us. We hear you. We're going to be out there doing the job, responding to your complaints, and making sure we keep our community safe.
Shout out to the Sheriff's Office and the Smoke Shop Task Force, where they were able to conduct an investigation here. Over $5 million worth of product, thousands of pounds of marijuana seized from here, and this is the results of your complaints. This is the craziest thing. The menu of varieties of exactly what you want, what you need. Shout out to the New York City Sheriffs and their team, Sheriff Miranda and his team, the Smoke Shop Task Forces, the NYPD and their team for coming here and shutting this place down. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Let us know if there is an illegal cannabis shop in your neighborhood, your town. Drop a comment in the comment section or send us a DM, and we'll put it on with the rest of the list so we can investigate it. Thank you.